You know, have you ever asked yourself, what do I do with leftover corn? Well, I've got a great recipe for breakfast and you're gonna love it, so let's get started. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we're in our beautiful kitchen, and as I'm talking about, we are doing something. What do you do with leftover corn? I have a great recipe. It's basically a recipe that I learned from my grandmother on my father's side. Grandma Ann always had this recipe for breakfast when I came over. Basically, it's leftover corn on the cob. We fry it down, we put 2 eggs on it, and oh my gosh, it is so good. And when you add the original dirt to it, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the corn right off the cob. And basically, I think of a serving as about 1.5 ears of a normal ear. So this is gonna be about 1.5 right here. We are gonna put 2 pieces of butter in here. You could use maybe a little olive oil instead. And then we are gonna throw the corn right inside. I love the butter inside the pan because it really coats onto the corn really nice. And now we're gonna add some garlic powder, probably a tablespoon of garlic powder, and then a tablespoon of black pepper. You can use less if you like. I like a lot of pepper. Now we're gonna use the original Todd's dirt. Any one of the dirts, seasonings will work great. You can do about a tablespoon of original dirt, and then mix it up. This is probably maybe 3 to 4 minutes in the pan, depending upon how hot it is. All right, it's been about 4 minutes now. You can see the way the corn looks. This is completely cooked at this point. You can see how it changed color. It's nice and hot. Now we're gonna put that in the pan. So this makes a great side dish that you can put on with, say, like a steak or pork chops. And now we're gonna do the eggs. All right, now we get to try this. This is gonna be absolutely yummy. Oh yeah. Perfect. Dirty eggs with the dirty corn, fried corn. This is going to be yummy. All right, now I get to try it. Most of my recipes are absolutely fantastic. This one is so good, so easy. Grandma, I miss you. Remember to subscribe, tell all your friends and family all about Todd's Dirt videos. Remember to check out toddsdirt.com. Check out the recipe page. It's going to show you all different ways of how to use Todd's Dirt. Remember, you can buy it on Amazon and toddsdirt.com. And oh yeah, remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.